Okay, I'm inside the Cadillac, and I want to do something today that I've been thinking about for a little while. So I haven't secured the Holley Terminator X digital dash yet, so I think that this spot right here is like the perfect size. So what I think I want to do is pull this off and try to see if there's a way I can get that thing to fit inside here. Alright, I got that off. Put her back in park, get the key out, turn the hazards off, and now it looks like I got a 5/16 little bolt guy, and we'll just keep plucking away, trying to get the stuff out of here. Alright, this thing actually just pulls right out of here. Little clips, and we'll just unplug the back. Alright, so got the thing back on there, and I thought I was going to have to do a lot more than this. I was like fully expecting to maybe do some fiberglassing or something to try to get this thing to fit. And it just fits in there perfectly. So I can actually pull this thing out. I was concerned about the SD card. So I can pull this out, still get the SD card out, and then I can just wedge it back in, and it actually holds it pretty decent, just like this. So what I think I might end up doing, pretty simple, is use some of the existing bolts back here, and then I might just make a plate going across the back, and then put a stick of Velcro on here and then some Velcro on the other side of it, so I can push it in firmly and not have to worry about it falling back out, but then I can still pull it out to get the SD card out if I need to. Alright, so there's what it looks like. I can turn the light off. Alright, so there's what it looks like. The light's off. I did take the wideband out and I put the clock back in just because I have the wideband here, so I don't really need that, and I like the clock there. So this thing actually works pretty good. I can push all the buttons and I don't have to worry about it falling out. I can also just push on this a little bit and it pops out. So I did put that little bracket back there. I just painted it kind of on the one side so you could not really see it that much. But other than that, it just pushes back in there, and then if I want to take it out, I can just push it like that. So I might stick some Velcro behind there. I don't really think I need to though. We'll see what happens when I'm driving around, but I like it. It's pretty cool.